it up for Janine Gutierrez! Hello, ladies! Alright, you know what? I am so sure that the audience is in good hands. So alam kong kaya nyo na to. I'll be back in a little bit.
Thank you.
Oh, nga! Alam nyo na yan! I'll see you!
Hi everyone! Good afternoon!
Good afternoon!
Yes, please, dahil iniwan tayo ni Nicole, I hope samahan niyo muna kami. Magtsikahan muna tayo
Yes,
dito,
dito muna
Giselle.
kami ni Janine.
Okay,
so, para
sige.
tayo nasa talk show.
Oo, ako na muna mag-interview sa'yo. So, hi everyone! Kamusta kayo? Madami na bang na-shopping?
Mukhang marami na silang mga dalang freebies.
Oo nga eh. Well, thank you so much for the warm welcome. It's so good to see you here today. Lahat tayo beauty lovers and we're excited to represent a brand that we really, really love and believe in. And ako kasi syempre yung trabaho ko is usually on camera. So it's very important to me na alagaan yung skin ko. Not just on my face but also sa katawan.
Correct. Kung ikaw, in front of the camera, ako naman, behind the camera, usually
Yes.
pag nag-create ng content. So one thing I've learned, whether get ready with me videos or pag nag-film ka ng OOTD, I'm sure ginagawa mo rin yan sa work mo,
Yes,
diba?
kailangan.
Yes. And na-realize ko, yung skin confidence talaga, it makes a huge difference.
That's true. And syempre, being in a very hot country, isa sa mga problem areas or problems ng skin that I also experience are dark spots.
Yes, same.
Oo, so syempre kung may dark spots ka, di ba, sometimes it affects your confidence. Parang natatempt ka na, balot ka na lang palagi because you're thinking of your dark spots. And that's something that we can help you with today.
Grabe, even si Janine, guys, nagkakaroon ng dark spots. Diba?
Yeah.
Oo. Minsan, di ba, kahit suot mo yung pinaka-favorite or pinaka-magandang clothes, if you're not confident with your skin, iba rin yun eh.
Yes, that's true. That's why sometimes kapag may problema na ganyan, di ba, you really have to choose a trusted brand.
Correct.
Kasi kung magkamali ka din ng i-apply sa skin mo, syempre that's your body, hindi mo na mababawi. Meron talagang mga nakakatakot na products. So when it comes to anything with your body, with your skin, it's so important to choose a trusted brand like Nivea.
Nivea. Alam niyo, speaking of stubborn dark spots, we want a bright and even skin. If you remember, Janine, yung Nivea Super 10, I'm sure karamihan sa inyo familiar with that pink bottle na merong fruits. Alam mo ba, Janine, nagkaroon na siya ng upgrade. Nagulat ako na
Yes.
nakita ko siya sa Watsons. Nagkaroon na siya ng glow up.
Yes. Eto na nga, we're here because we are relaunching, as you can see here, the Nivea body care product that we all love, the Nivea Super 10 Body Serum. So from this old packaging, now it's in this upgraded packaging na talagang
Very Nivea.
exactly.
Sobrang Nivea. Actually, nung nakita ko siya, kasi ako, I've also tried a lot of different Nivea products, like yung Super 8 nila, yung Nivea Extra Bright Body Serum na CNE. And ito, nung nakita ko, sabi ko, it belongs. Parang
Yes.
very belong yung design, the packaging. Sobrang, it screams Nivea. Diba?
And it's not just the packaging na nagkaroon ng upgrade, it's also the formulation.
Correct. Kasi meron siyang what we call niacin.
Yes.
So, niacin, actually, favorite to ng mga skincare enthusiasts sa face pa lang eh. Because they combined niacinamide and vitamin C. Di ba, Janine?
Yes, so Niacin is a very powerful duo kasi 2-in-1 siya. Can you tell us more about
Yes.
what Niacin is?
Ako kasi, Janine, favorite ko talaga vitamin C on my face. Talagang
Yes.
subo ko siya for brightening. Kapag meron akong mga ginalaw na breakouts, alam mo, ang tagal mag-fade kapag walang
That's
vitamin
true.
C. So, it's really nice to have vitamin C ingredient, not just on your face, but also on your body.
Yes. And sobrang important na huwag niyong kakalimutan
Yes.
yung body care, guys. I know skincare for the face is so famous,
Yes.
super hype, pero syempre kailangan sundan mo din talaga ng body care.
Correct.
And niacinamide really targets those stubborn dark spots na talagang nagkakaroon din tayo sa body natin.
Ang maganda doon, pinag-combine nila both vitamin C and
Yes.
niacinamide nandun kay Super 10. And ang maganda rin sa kanya, hindi lang siya sa surface, Janine. So talagang it really goes 10 layers deep to your skin. So yun yung target niya. Imagine yung iba talaga, surface lang yun na target for brightening. So ito, it targets more than what we can see.
That's That's true. And syempre, it's so important to have a product that targets brightening and gradients. So with Niacin, you have the niacinamide that targets the dark spots and the vitamin C that really brightens it. So, ako personally, like minsan yung mga taping namin, shooting, especially itong last project ko, sa gubat talaga. So, alam mo yon, I'm sure na-experience ko din to minsan kapag nasa beach kayo or palaging nasa labas, kailangan mag-commute. Minsan yung mga tan lines natin, di ba nagkakaroon ng sando tan or t-shirt tan or yung medyas. And ako din, like, ang dami kong naging kagat ng lamok, niknik. So, I really make it a priority to have this product because it evens out my skin tone and makes my skin go from dull to bright and radiant.
Correct. Kasi minsan, di ba, ang hirap talaga kapag walang tulong ng mga magagandang ingredients on your skin. So, it's very nice to have Super 10 in your body care. And ang maganda pa, Janine, they have 3 different sizes to fit different lifestyle. Ako yung maliit,
Ayan na siya.
yes, yung pinakamaliit, pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa bag nyo, tapos pwede siya as hand cream.
Oh,
Kasi hindi siya
I
malagkit.
love hand cream.
Yes, tapos hindi lahat ng hand cream, di ba? Parang after mong i-apply, parang pwede ka nang humawak ng kung ano-ano kasi yung iba talagang it's sticky. So this one, so parang 2-in-1 na siya kasi hand cream, does it also brightens your skin at the same time.
And it works in just 5 days.
Yes.
So, sulit na sulit kasi you see effects right away. And if you use it every day, guys, kunin nyo na yung pinakamalaki, yung 300 ml kasi
Correct.
sulit talaga for everyday use.
Yun yung pangbahay, kumbaga.
Oo. So actually, bilhin mo na lahat in all sizes. One for your bag, one for your house, one for your office or so work. So perfect na perfect.
Nandyan lang yung booth ng Nivea. So after this, you can go straight there to get your different sizes ng Nivea Super 10.
And speaking of radiance,
Excited ako dito.
oo nga game ba kayo maglaro with us ng isang
Feeling ko game sila. Daming game, Janine.
Yeah, so we want to play a game. It's the Nivea version of Get Radiant with Me. We'll be playing that game. Who wants to join Get Radiant with Me?
Wow, ang daming may gusto mag-join.
Ay wow, may tumayo na agad.
So parang ito yung own na version ng Get Ready With Me Challenge, pero meron siyang twist. Ang cute ng wordplay, no? Get Radiant With
Oo,
Me.
kasi syempre kailangan talaga radiant ka
Correct.
kapag lumalabas ka ng bahay or even at home for yourself, diba?
True. So instead na mag-get ready ka lang, we'll do a 3-step relay to show you yung confidence, yung style, and skincare routine. So sobrang dali lang nito, guys. Tapos syempre, yung mga winners, meron silang freebies from Nivea.
Yes. So, this table that you can see to our right is our radiance station. And dito tayo gagawa ng confidence check.
So kailangan lang namin ng 3 players each ni Janine.
O sige, pili na muna tayo ng players
Oo.
before we explain the mechanics. But, guys, sali na kayo kasi we're giving away Nivea products to our winners.
Ayun,
So,
ang daming
who wants to
game!
join? Three players each kami. Hi, guys! Who wants to join? Ayan, I think our Nivea girl is helping us choose.
Ayan, meron na kagad
Perfect.
tayong 6 players.
Okay,
Hello!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hi,
Ang
guys!
radiant na kagad nila.
Isa na lang. Oo nga.
Ayan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isa pa.
One more player.
Hello! Hello! Hi, guys! So, eto na. Should we explain the mechanics muna
Yes.
or i-split na natin sila into
Pwede.
teams?
So, pwede mag-split na into 2 teams. So,
Sige.
dalawang set ng players tayo. 3 players each.
Okay, sige. So,
So,
dito na lang ako.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Tayong
Team
tatlo
Janine.
Tayong tatlo.
So, tayong tatlo ang magkaka-team. Okay.
Okay, so explain natin yung mechanics ng game. So, it's a relay. Ang ating relay object, ang ating Nivea Super 10. So, ang player 1, so kayo yung player 1. Ikaw. Oh, wait, let's get your names first. Hello, magandang hapon.
Hello, I'm Nico.
Hi, Nico. And
Hello po, I'm D.
hi, Dee.
I'm Royce.
Yes, ito yung team ko.
Team
Giselle.
Janine. Okay. Team Giselle Energy tayo. Okay, what's your name?
I'm Kai.
Si Ka. Hi, Ka.
Hi, I'm Jazz.
Hi, I'm Joy. Okay, ito naman yung Team Giselle. Okay, so ready na ba kayo? sobrang dali lang ng game natin. So, meron lang tayong tatlong relay.
Yeah.
So, one person, one relay lang. You don't have to do all the three.
Yeah.
So, per step, one person. Di
So,
ba,
ganito na lang. Player 1,
Yes,
player
player
1, player 2, player 2, player 3, player 3. Si player 1 ay... Everybody has to take out their phones. Dala niyo ba yung phones niyo?
Merong may dalang phone sa Team Giselle. So, panalo na kami.
O sige, pwede naman siguro mag-share. So, si player 1 ay pupunta sa station. They'll take a video with their phone saying a confidence affirmation out loud. So, you can say something na, I am bright, I am radiant, ganyan. And then you take a
Yes.
video. Tapos, pagkatapos, ipapasa niyo yung Nivea Super 10 natin to player 2. Player 2 naman will take one accessory from our confidence station and strike an OOTD pose while holding the Super 10 serum. Yes. So, unahan to And then, after that, you pass it on to player 3. Si player 3 naman, ang last, they will do an OOTD na may product application. So, dapat maganda yung product application.
Yes, so parang
mo.
aura-aura lang.
Yes, Giselle, ikaw ang magaling mag-demo niyan.
Alam, feel, ganun lang.
Yes.
So parang pwedeng very celebrity ang attacker or very beauty content creator. So it's up to you.
And then, when you're all done, we'll do a quick runway walk here. And the first one to finish is the winner. So, kailangan bilisan natin para tayo yung
Pabilisan
manalo ng
to.
Nivea product.
Pabilisan. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, so, doon na tayo, Giselle, no?
Okay, dito na kami ni Janine. So
Okay.
parang dito yung Team Janine, dito yung Team Giselle. Okay? So may so
Siguro
paunahan na
siguro doon magsa-start. Kailangan naka one line doon sa may sofa. So, team ni Giselle dito. And then,
Yes.
yan. Okay. Laban, ready?
Okay, paki-cheer up naman sila, guys! Okay, are you
Okay.
ready?
Bakit kinakabahan ako? Hindi naman ako kasali. Okay.
And
Okay, let's do it.
3, 2, 1, go!
Dali! Takbo ka na! Yes, go! Go! Go, dali! Dali! Ayan, yan. Yes. Oo, Tini. Aha. Yes.
Yes!
Okay, next. Let's go!
And then, product application
Alam,
ng
alam,
aura-aura.
yes,
Dun sa
product
gitna.
shot.
Dun sa gitna mo.
Sa skin. Oh, yeah! Okay, let's go, let's go! Okay, runway, runway! Tapos na kayo? Oh my gosh! So... Wait, sino? Nag-runway walk ba kayo? Oh my gosh! Well, napakagaling pa rin. Ako, I think, mahirap talaga pumili ng winner. So, I think, tawagin na lang natin si Nicole to help us judge.
Yes, Nicole, ikaw nang mag-judge.
Our host, Nicole, please help. Naiwan yung super dance.
Naiwan niya yung super dance.
Ayaw na niya bitawan.
Kasi masyado siya nag-enjoy
Hello?
mag-ano,
Ayan.
mag-apply.
Grabe. Did you summon someone? Okay, so ready na ako as a judge. Okay, so meron tayong tatlong criteria. Actually, guys, it's really giving like omnipresent. Kasi kahit wala ako sa stage, pinapanood ko kayo backstage. So, kita ko pa rin.
Okay.
Kita ko pa rin yung mga performances nyo. So, meron tayong tatlong criteria. We have speed, style, and radiance energy. Okay, sa speed, I would say, si Team Giselle, sila nagsimula, they started strong eh. Mabilis sila sa start. Pero kumatch up yung team nyo. So, okay, sige, bigay natin yan. And then sa style, I like it because each contestant gave their own personality. They really
Ganda.
gave it their own twist. And then, for radiance energy, iba talaga yung aura ni Kuyang nakapolo.
We
na
have to
naka-gray.
agree. Agree kami.
Naloka talaga ako, bongga, give na give. So, if I were to tally all the scores na minake-up ko lang sa utak ko so walang kumontra. Kasi, pag pinag-math niyo ako, buong araw tayo dito. So, ganun lang. Okay, the winner is Team Janine! Congratulations!
So sobrang excited namin, Nicole, kung saan-saan kami nag-Broadway. Meron
Oh,
dito.
nakita ko!
Meron dito.
Nakita ko, sabi ko, ay, kanya-kanyang catwalk. Gumawa ng
Thank
sarili-sarili.
you so much.
Pero guys, don't worry because Nivea is super generous. Everyone is going home with a prize. So, walang talo. Congratulations to all of our contestants.
Thank you so much. Oh, ayan na. Agad-agad. Thank you, guys. Enjoy the rest of the beauty con. Thank you so much, guys.
Guys, can we take a group photo here in the center, please? Dito sa yellow sticker. Ayun.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Again, thank you so much. Thank you sa mga sumali sa games. And we invite you to go to the Nivea booth. Janine and I will be there after this.
Yes, meron po kaming meet and greet. All you need is 1,000 worth of Nivea products. So we hope that you can check out our Nivea Super 10 Body Serum as well as all the other amazing Nivea products over at the Nivea Skin House. Thank you so much.
Thank you.